Hey, Betsy Matato here, and I learned something new today, and I thought I would share it with everybody here. So this is how to uh, invite your list to, and like your actual autoresponder list to your page, your group. So what you do is you go into the group, and I'm interacting here as my like page, because when you link your like page to your group, it gives you more admins utilities, tools that you can use, and this is one of them. So I go into there, I go into members, which I'm there already, and let me scroll a little bit so you can see. And in this area is invite members, which most people you from here you can see people who like your like page are people that you can invite to your group, which is a whole nother wonderful tool you can use as the like page. But we're going to look at this feature right here called embed invite. What you do is you click there, and you click again. No, not there, not there. There we go. That looks so much better. I'm using my Mac, and it's like I'm so not used to using it a lot. So, it's one of those things. Okay, so you take this HTML and then you go to your autoresponder. For me, it's ConvertKit. Everybody's is going to look different. Chimp looks different. Aweber looks different. I just converted over last night from Aweber to ConvertKit, and I'm really happy with it. So digging that. So I just go to broadcast, new broadcast, and I could do content. And so once I get to content, that's where the editor is. And HTML is just right here. So I just let it know I'm doing HTML. I copy it into there, and then I look at the preview. And so this is the email that my email list would see. I mean, of course, I would type like actual information in there if I was to send this out. But as you can see, what it is, it's just like this lovely box that has a working button in it that when they press that button, it sends them right to your group. Now I can imagine you're like me thinking, wow, this is really cool, because not everybody in your email list is necessarily following your groups. So this kind of helps connect everybody. So I think it's pretty awesome. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that if you have any questions, you'll just comment down below and let me know what you think. See ya!